This polling program is rated TBY 7. It contains some bad language and fantasy violence. It's only intended for older kids from 7 or older. Viewer discretion is advised.
You tried the best. Now be taste the speed.
Ow! You're not gonna fool with me this time. Now let's see what's actually going on here.
Now this place is one giant mind screw. And then my country was like, oh boy, I sure do love Italian food.
And the other girl was screwed up. She was like...
And also she said, so, well, you know what I mean. So here is a quick footage of her doing that.
But the rest of it was extremely creepy and disgusting. The rest of it was pretty hard to watch. So, end of episode, I guess. Just kidding. I still need to fight that chef to stop him from doing this again. Because today is his 4th episode anniversary.
Wow. How did you make all this?
All myself.
You are the best.
Well, I know you're gonna do something bad and I just know it. Remember last time? Well, it was the same exact thing and I'm pretty sure you're gonna do it again. But I won't let that happen. So, whether you like it or not, don't do that. And that empire will never rise. And killer chefs would never laugh. Like, your episode embarrassed me. Just don't embarrass me. Okay, it's time to end this thing. So, if I win, then everyone in that Donna is saved. But if you beat me, you're gonna embarrass me again and make me ball rainbows again. So, shall we start? So, let's get this started. So, no kidnap in my country for me. If the sunglasses mine. And, well, what's the one I'm looking for? And that will not happen in real life. So, a little bit of power taken off from yo health bar, Mr. McPasta Man. I see. Better prove it. For my Halloween costume, I'll be wearing my cartoon self. It could be anything you wear, and you're probably gonna be a chef that's well, a butcher, a scary evil butcher. And fifth of all, in real life, you're not that bad because you sell people pizza without making them have the disgusting circles, if you don't know what I mean. And sixth of all, you just kidnapped a Western European. You kidnapped Western Europe. He's a Frenchman. He's a Frenchman that didn't do anything wrong and he was innocent. A lot of people hated you in this episode, but you were not half bad in the rest of the episodes, but the girl was a cat. Yeah, you heard what I said, a cat. And then when a cat turned South Korea into a cat, my country was like, what the deuce heck? And ninth of all, I made you a note. It's called a truce. A what? It's a truce. It's when we quit fighting with each other. And here's a footage with him being a gangster.
Wow. How did you make all this?
All myself.
You are the best.
You are the best. You are the best.
Well, think again, pasta lovers. Look at this. I don't want anyone to see this or like this photo ever. Now here's the audio of him being a gangster and a savage.
Amici miei, do you think he left to eat until you are fat? And guess what? Not only he did. But he will reset the Roman Empire.
And you're just like...
Ruthless, my style is a juvenile, ran with a gang, slang.
Yeah, just like that. Now, I'll let you read the truce letter. Alright, but it better be a good.
Dear Italy, you might be a villain, but you might be the best country in real life. So we will not take your episode to the extreme. If you promise not to do that again ever, I won't tell United Nations about what you just did. Regards, Issy. So, truce? Truce.